Hey YouTube, so to help with my filming and editing, I decided to pick up a new tripod. So I did a little bit of research and found this one of all places at Walmart for $24.98. I think it's regular like 40 or 50, and I'll put the link down below, and here's an image of it. So I went with the FOCUS by Onn, and it says it's for DSLR cameras, smartphones, and GoPros, and it extends from 24 inches to 67 inches. So just shy of like 6 feet, I believe. So that's perfectly fine. I want to get some kind of overhead shots, and right now I'm just using a small little tripod. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and see if it's worth it.
Is it worth it? Let me work it.
All right, so right away when you open it, there is what looks like a bag in here, and it feels really sturdy, really solid. It's not like it's not loose and flimsy. It's a solid bag. It doesn't look like it'll rip. It looks like it can withstand a little bit of dinging and damage. So this was only available for purchase online. So it's $24.98, and I had to go pick it up in the parking lot, which is something that I've never done before. I've never done a purchase and then pick up. So Walmart has it figured out. If you go on the Walmart app, I don't give Walmart very much credit. I kind of, I don't shop there too often. I do my grocery shopping, as everyone knows, at Aldi. So Aldi's my spot for groceries. But there have been one or two things that I keep finding pop up that Walmart kind of has locked in. And it seems like this filming and vlogging equipment and photography, audio, visual stuff, it seems like Walmart has some pretty competitive prices. So purchased it, drive to the Walmart. I got a text message, drove to Walmart, parked in a parking spot. If you allow it to, it'll follow your car to the parking spot, and then you just put "I'm here" and you pick your parking spot. The guy ran it right out. It was painless. It was simple. It was actually a really good experience. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing this. So right here you got your sack. It looks like it's got a nice strap. You can kind of carry it around with you. It's got a quarter zipper. And let's see what's included here. So right off the rip, when you open it, it looks like there is what looks to be a cell phone mount. So yeah, so you got some adjustable screws here, plastic. There's no real springing action, but and rubber grommets on the inside here, so that's nice, so it doesn't scratch. And then you just can kind of tighten here with this. You got your standard, I think they call that standard, I don't know, 1/4 inch maybe, a little tightener doodad. So you got one there, you got one here. So it kind of gives you some options. You got your clip for your swivel clip, which I imagine there's probably a few more accessories inside here. We will see as we unpack it. All right, so right off the bat, it feels pretty, yeah, it is pretty solid. I mean, 25 bucks, pretty solid, I'd say. It's got a crank here, no idea what that does. This is all brand new to me, so I'm just, look at that. Got your handle. It's got a level. We got a level built in on the side there. So what it has here says lock and loosen. Let's loosen it. We'll just loosen up like everything. So we loosen that up. Look, you got a little swivel handle action. Get real serious with it if you want. You got a locking mechanism here to lock that down. And, oh, boom, just like that. That's pretty cool. Look at this. Boom. Okay, so here's just a quick overview of the instructions. So here's the Quick Start Smart Guide. Okay, what it comes with is you get an adjustable lock, smartphone cradle, 67-inch tripod, quick release plate, and action camera mount. So this one here is for your GoPros and things. So that'll come in handy like doing some outdoor filming and stuff in the rain. I figured this out, and this was a big aha moment. So this is showing a clockwise rotation. Lock the device in place using bottom screw. So how you do that, you hold this here, and you use this screw. To lock it in place, okay? So I'm loving the handle, and I love these levels. It's got 2 levels. It's got a second level, if you can see it right here too, to show if it's level. So you got 1 level there for up and down, and you got 1 level for like left and right. So super solid. And there's a hook here. I don't know what you do with that. You can hook it from things, I guess. You could do a hook shot too, like put your camera facing it this way, hook it up even higher than the legs allow. Oh, look at this. What? Whoa! Whoa! All right, so that's wild. That's extended out. And then, then these clips. Look at this. Boom, boom. Stretch it out. And then lock it here. And then look it. You got another one. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Okay, $25. Right off the bat, like assuming none of this just breaks immediately, like these clips, $25 I think is a stellar deal. This feels solid. I mean, there's like no wobble to it. It's holding nice. And you got this crank action though. What's up with that crankety crickety crank over here? Look at this. Da 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 da. Woo! Also, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my account, just one little click, it would be awesome. I'm starting as a new tuber, and as a new tuber, I'm just, trying my best to get out some content that people are going to really enjoy. And I think finding these frugal deals and sharing them with everybody, but we're doing it the frugal way. We're showing you that you can do things, big things, with not a whole lot. It doesn't take a lot. We're kind of trained to think that it takes so much to create, and it's not true. You can find deals like this. This isn't a necessity, but it's something that I think is going to really help out to bring you folks on YouTube better content, and it's going to make it more manageable. It's going to be easier to It's going to be easier to film and less headache with the camera falling over and stuff like that. So I'll be able to bring you content faster. So thanks so much for joining me for this quick unboxing video. And again, this is the Onn, O-N-N, 24-inch by 67-inch tripod with smartphone Cradle, $24.98. I'll put the link below. Check it out. This is not affiliated or sponsored ad at all. I just looked at a bunch of tripods, and this was the only one I found, like under 30 bucks, that I thought was worth giving a shot. All right, so here's going over a bit of that functionality. Let's say I want to take some pictures of some of this top row stuff. So you got your swivel arm right here, swivel arm. And you can lock it in place right here. I got everything kind of loosened up right now, but I want to go to this top row. Look, if you got your legs, which I do have them extended out all the way, this will extend up to 5'7" to like right here, but then the phone gives it an extra like 4 inches, so it's like 6 feet. Because I mean, I'm 6'1", and look at this here, it's over my head. So this is like this is about 6'2". So if you can see 6'2", I don't even know if it'll reach the frame here all the way, but this is about 6'2". So yeah, you get it. You can get it to your height that you want. Swivel. And then it also has a swivel, so you can swivel downward. So you can go right up above, do your thing down here. You know, do whatever you want. Really cool stuff. So, and I'm sure I haven't even covered every feature on the tripod, but this is what we're looking at. So you just swivel it on down, and then let's say you want to go to a new site. You'll pull this up here. This has a locking screw as well. Pull it up, clamp all these bad boys. Close it up, grab your handle, and off you go. Oh, don't forget to lock them back up. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing of this Onn, O-N-N, Onn tripod, $24.98 at Walmart.